Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mixing castor oil with baking soda might sound like an old-fashioned remedy, but recent findings in age-old natural healing practices are making even doctors take notice. This simple blend has been praised by natural health educators like Barbara O'Neill, and for good reason. It could be a game changer for those over 60 looking for natural ways to support healing, circulation, and detoxification. Let's dive deep into what happens when you mix castor oil with baking soda and how this combination could change your health from the outside in. What makes this mix so powerful? Castor oil. Derived from the castor bean, it's rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that penetrates deep into tissues. It's known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and circulation-boosting properties. When applied topically, it helps promote healing, lymphatic drainage, and organ detoxification. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Often overlooked, this alkaline compound helps balance pH levels, neutralize toxins, exfoliate dead skin, and draw out impurities. It's long been used in poultices and compresses to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Here's what happens when you mix them. Barbara O'Neill and other holistic practitioners recommend combining castor oil with baking soda into a thick paste and applying it to areas of chronic pain, swelling, skin growths, or digestive discomfort. The reaction? Incredibly powerful. Number 1. Shrinks lumps and skin growths. This mix has been used as a natural remedy to reduce non-cancerous skin lumps, cysts, lipomas, and moles. The castor oil softens tissues while baking soda draws out impurities. Many seniors have reported visible shrinking within weeks. Number 2. Eases joint and muscle pain. Whether it's arthritic knees or an old shoulder injury, this paste works wonders. The anti-inflammatory effect of castor oil, combined with the detoxifying nature of baking soda, helps reduce swelling and discomfort in minutes to hours after application. Number 3. Improves circulation and detox. When used over the abdomen or liver area, it's believed to stimulate the lymphatic system and support liver detox. Barbara O'Neill has long emphasized castor oil packs for this purpose. Add baking soda, and you enhance detox power by neutralizing acids and toxins trapped in tissues. Number 4. Softens hardened skin and calluses. Aging often brings rough skin, heels, elbows, and hands. This combo gently exfoliates while deeply moisturizing and healing cracked or thickened areas. Number 5 inches. May help with digestive issues. Applying this paste externally over the stomach has been linked to relief from bloating, constipation, and gas. While not a cure, the warmth and penetration help relax abdominal muscles and stimulate digestion. How to make and use the paste. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cold-pressed castor oil, 1 teaspoon baking soda, aluminum-free one. Mix until you get a thick, sticky paste. 2. Apply it directly to the area of concern. 3. Cover with gauze or cotton cloth. 4. Leave it on for 30 minutes to 2 hours, or overnight for deep healing. 5. Rinse off with warm water. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Warning and precautions. Always do a patch test first to check for skin sensitivity. Do not apply over open wounds. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. If you have a medical condition or are on medication, check with your doctor. Why doctors are surprised. Modern medicine often overlooks natural remedies, but some doctors are starting to notice the powerful results people report. The combination of anti-inflammatory, circulatory, and detoxifying benefits offers relief where drugs often fail, especially for chronic issues in older adults. Barbara O'Neill's holistic wisdom continues to shine a light on simple, effective remedies that work with the body, not against it. You don't need to spend hundreds on fancy creams or treatments. Sometimes healing comes from what's already in your kitchen. Mix castor oil with baking soda and give your body a chance to repair, detox, and thrive naturally. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone who could benefit from natural healing tips. Like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed, nature-powered health wisdom, especially made for strong living after 60.